Hey, what's up? Josh here from Breakers Stereo and Performance. Now this is a 2022 GMC Yukon and we did some work on it, so let's go and check this thing out. First thing we did was the lift kit. So this has Rough Country's 3.5-inch lift. Now what's in the kit comes with upper control arms, and then you also have a upper strut spacer and also a coil spacer. And in the back we have two spacers, a upper strut spacer and also a coil spacer. And the wheel and tire combo, we got the Hostel, and these are the 120 Vulcans, and we went with a 22x12 -44 offset, and then on the tire we did a 33 12.5 22. And these are the Toyo Grapplers AT. So this is kind of a newer tire. It's got a nice tread pattern on it, kind of looks like that RT. Then we also did some stereo work as well. So we got two Alpine 12-inch S-Series woofers and a custom box. So this is a pretty slim box here. So he still has some space if he needs it. And then on the amplifier, we did a Hertz HCP. Now we integrated the bass system to the factory radio, obviously, because this radio has a nice big screen and every feature that you could want. Our LOC is actually made by Wavtech, and it is the BassRestor. That gives us a couple features here. So that allows for a high input so we can hook to the factory radio, but that also gives us the bass restoration processing as well. This is a dual knob, so one, you have your standard level control, and the outer knob would be your bass restoration. Okay, so if you're interested in hooking up your SUV, your truck, your car, let us know. With suspension, wheels, tires, stereo system, we're located at 465 North Oxnard Boulevard in Oxnard. Also, check us out online at breakersstereoandperformance.com. Okay, thanks for watching.